Hi everyone, this is High Tower and Little Tower. We're here today on this beautiful day outside enjoying the weather. It's 70 degrees here in Pennsylvania, and we're going to be playing with RC cars and four-wheelers and scooters.
Yeah! I love that car because you can jump.
Wow.
Last time I did a split.
What are you eating there? What you got there?
A dip thing where you can dip. And Olivia too, she gave me this.
Wow.
Yep, and I got one. I got a dip. You need to lick it first till you dip it in.
Cool.
Yeah, you have to.
Four-wheeler. He's 6 years old.
Alright?
This is Little Towers. This is...
Now,
We're out here playing with the RC cars with Little Tower. Oh, you alright, buddy? Ooh. Man, that hit you hard. We got the new bright RC car from Toys R Us. The thing's actually very, 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 very decent. Let me see it. Ooh,
oh my God!
that was cool. Let me see it. Let me see it real quick.
I like it. So cool. I knew you got it for Toys R Us because I saw him last month.
Whoa, whoa.
What's that?
There's Mommy on the Razor Dirt 500. Hey buddy, where you at? We got Little High Tower down here.
And then give us mail.
Oh, give us mail? What do you mean mail?
For like toys, like from
Tell them if they like watching, hit that like button for us. This is our first vlog.
yeah.
Tell them to hit it.
Hit it.
Hit that like button.
Like from Rent Hatwood, he gets mail and you can get mail and toys.
Oh my God, you're scary. Yeah, he's a huge fan. I'm myself a huge fan of Roman Atwood. It's weird talking to the camera to you guys right now, but we had a long, interesting day with outside. It was nice. It was the last couple months been in like 28, 30s, and we got some decent weather of 70 degrees. So the last 2 days we've been outside playing. So this is our first vlog, and we want you to hit that like button. And thanks for watching. Stay strong and keep on watching. We're gonna keep on vlogging. Have a good night and see you next time.